Topic: logarithm. Laws of logarithm. Number 1, log a base b equals x equals b raised to the power x equals a. 2, log a base x plus log b base x equals log a times b base x, since is product rule. 3, log a base x minus log b base x equals log a over b base x. This is division rule. 4, log a squared base x equals 2 log a base x. 5, log a base x squared equals 1 over 2 log a base x. 5, log a base x to the power half equals 2 log a base x. Questions. Simplify the following. Number 1, log 125 base x equals 1 over 3. Solution. X raised to the power 1 over 3 equals 125. We'll simplify, take cube root of both sides, or x equals 125 raised to the power 3. Number 2, log 81 base 3 plus log 9 base 3 minus log 3 base 3. Solution. Log 81 times 9 over 3 base 3 equals log 243 base 3. The answer equals 5 log 3 base 3 equals 1. Number 3, log root 81 base 3 divided by log root 27 base 3. This one we are going to use division law of logarithm, equals log 81 raised to the power half all over log 27 raised to the power half. When we simplify as follows, answer becomes 2 log 3 over 3 over 2 log 3 equals 4 over 3. That brings us to the end of the topic.